Please select your character. Ragna The Bloodedge. I'm afraid I need that Azure Grimoire. The wheel of fate is turning. Rebel 1, action. You win. Get started. Don't underestimate. You win. Ragna wins. Rebel 2, action. Ragna wins.
I don't know what the deal is with you and your sister, but you might want to keep a lid on it. It can get really complicated. Trust me. Fill your tongue. Hey, old man, don't blame me if you get hurt.
The wheel of fate is turning. Rebel 1, action. Ragna wins. Perfect. Rebel 2, action.
This ain't exactly a place.
Ragna wins.
It wasn't me. She's the one who keeps following me around. I didn't do nothing. Hey, don't glare at me like that. Whoa, scary.
You're Ragna The Bloodedge.
Even much mature.
The wheel of fate is turning. Reboot 1. Action. Ragna wins. Reboot 2. Action.
Out of my way already.
Ragna wins.
Drop that thing right now, you idiot! Why the hell are you here?
Are you Ragna The Bloodedge?
Oh man, not this shit again. Get out of my head, lady. What the hell are you?
I'm Kokonoi. Just a normal old scientist for Sector 7.
Sector 7? Yeah, I've heard you guys saying you're gonna destroy the Armagus. Looks like you don't have a problem using it to bend space and time. Wait, who's that?
What? You think I've got time to waste explaining this to an idiot like you? I wish. I'm just here to have a look at that Armagus of yours. Give you a little warm-up.
What?
The wheel of fate is turning. Reboot 1. Action. Failed. Ragna wins. Reboot 2. Action. Needs a few adjustments, I suppose. Whatever. I got some data on the grimoire to play with. Lambda, come on. Affirmative.
Temporal displacement? Shit, you're a witch. Hey, Kokonoe, what the hell are you thinking? Hey, I'm not done talking! Damn it.
Where there is light, there will be darkness. I will bring justice to the evil who lurk in the dark. People call me the divine lightning of justice.
The wheel of fate is turning. Regal, 1, action. Ragna wins. Regal, 2, action.
No, we are Bang!
Ragna wins.
Of course. You are too dangerous.
The wheel of fate is turning. Regal, 1, action. Counter.
What's wrong, Red Devil?
Ragna wins. Regal, 2, action. Ragna wins.
Hey, so we meet again. Well, I don't. You eat way too much.
The wheel of fate is turning. Regal, 1, action. Ragna wins. Regal 2. Action.
Okay. Eyes improved.
Ragna wins.
You again? God damn it, can't a man walk down the street with food in his hands anymore? Hey, give me that back!
Why, hello, Ragna. As ever, your face is a reminder of nature's cruel sense of humor.
Hey, Rabbit, what's the deal with that Kokonoe chick? What the hell is she planning to do with the Murakumo unit?
I imagine your guess is as good as mine. I do my best to remain uninvolved in that woman's affairs.
Well, what about that asshole Terumi? What's that prick calling himself now? Hazama?
My, but you are full of questions today, Ragna. Have your nightmares returned?
Why'd you give me back the Azure Grimoire?
Because you were so pathetic I could scarcely bring myself to look at you.
Stop changing the subject.
Ragna, I am going to give you a rare piece of advice. You must not fight Terumi. You will not win. There is a reason the Azure will fail you if you try.
A reason? Don't give me that shit. He cut off my goddamn arm. And Jin and Saya... Not gonna waste any more time talking. Get out of my way.
Or you will force me aside, I assume. Very well. Let us see if you can. The wheel of fate is turning. Regal 1. Action.
Inferno Divider! I'm not taking that crap.
Ragna wins. Regal 2. Action. How exciting.
Inferno Divider!
Ragna.
Inferno Divider!
Slightly better than I anticipated. Is it possible you have defied expectations and matured?
You bitch.
A final warning, Ragna, before I bid you farewell. You would do well to find Noelle. Terumi is doubtless after her, the rightful successor of the Azure.
Noelle. She really...
Whatever you are thinking is likely not far from the truth. Amaterasu lies dormant somewhere within the boundary. Only she knows where to find it.
Jin Kisaragi!
Jin! Son of a bitch, you're the last thing I need.
Brother,
Get out of my way.
the Dark One, the Beast. It is about to be born again. I know it. I can feel it. Yuki Anasa feels it too. Something's different.
Oh, shit. So that's what the bastard's after. Hey, where's Noelle? Noelle Vermillion.
Noelle Vermillion? That woman? No, brother, you can't. I have to kill her. Me, not you.
Kill? What the hell are you two doing?
It seems you misunderstand, brother. He and I, we're not allies. Not now, not ever. I'm here of my own free will. His presence is a coincidence.
Coincidence, my ass. How in the hell did he get here if you didn't call him with Yuki Anasa?
I will destroy the Dark One. Please, brother, stand aside. You could never defeat it. That is why this is my task. You needn't worry. I can kill you later.
The wheel of fate is turning. Weedle, 1, action! Ragna wins. Weedle, 2, action!
Brother, no, it can't be you.
I don't know what the hell is going on in that mind of yours, Jin, but I decide my own fate. I don't need you freaking out over everything I do.
Brother.
I won't run or hide. You want to settle our score, you just come and find me. Don't worry, I'll be waiting.
Decided to show up, huh?
You son of a bitch. Where's Noelle?
Where? Oh, I think you already know. I gotta say, the Azure Grimoire is quite a thing. Smelting without a cauldron? And I've got you to thank, Ragna The Bloodedge.
Don't tell me. That's... No. Stop that right now.
Oh, for heaven's sake. Can't you just shut up, hmm? You better watch that attitude of yours, mister. It's liable to earn you a knife in the gut from yours truly.
I don't think so, asshole. You're the one who's gonna eat it. Restriction 666 released. Dimensional interface force field deployed.
BlazBlue? That's quite a toy you got there, kiddo. How'd you do that? Sounded like Restriction 666 released. Deploying dimensional interface force field.
What? How did you? No way.
Time for a taste of real power, boy. Code SOL. BlazBlue, activate!
What the hell is going on?
What's this? You don't get it? Oh, this is rich. Come on, give it a shot. Work those brain cells. Nothing? This is why you can't beat me, Rags. Write this down, because there's going to be a test later. I'm the one who created the BlazBlue!
The wheel of fate is turning. Riddle 1, action.
Not even. Not even.
Ragna wins.
Nanga, you win!
Riddle 2, action.
Well, thanks for the entertainment. Pretty good warm-up there.
You son of a bitch. Are you trying to resurrect the Black Beast?
The Black Beast? What the hell would I want with that failed experiment?
Failed?
Yeah, a huge failure. Real pain in the ass to keep the cauldron under control. But hey, we learned all sorts of shit in the process, so, you know.
Cauldron?
Yeah, the cauldron. What did I mumble? The cauldron's the grimoire's original form. It gathers souls to smelt the sword inside its body. That was our little pet, the beast. What? Come on! You gonna pay attention or not? The Murakumo unit is incomplete. It needs the power of the grimoire. The 13th sample wouldn't shut up about it. Remember? But this one's different. This thing embodies the true Azure. Now, Murakumo, activate! This whole world is nothing but lies. Lies! Let me show you what I like to call the truth. The truth called despair. In the name of Susanoo, I command you, Murakumo, awaken! Behold the sword of the Godslayer, Kusanagi! Let all lies fall before your divine blade! Finally, I've got the true successor to the Azure. Try and stop me now, Master Unit. Amaterasu! I've observed it. A completely new possibility. Now let me see you struggle. Dance for me, little puppets. Show me all of the possibilities occurring in this continuum shift.
Noelle, I'm sorry.
The Black Beast. The wheel of fate is turning. Rebel 1, action. The blade. The blade. He's just divine light punishment. Decimate blade. Blade. Ragna Blue. Rebel 2, action. Ragna Blue.